morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the past perfect tense. In the previous video, we have seen the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense. Today we are going to see past perfect tense. It's very important tense, my dear friends, and uses of this tense are already given on the board, which I am going to explain you. So, for what purpose this tense is used, or what is the use of this tense? This tense is used in different manners, and also it is used for different type of purposes or to convey the different type of ideas. So this is what for the purpose this tense is used. So now use of this tense, past perfect tense. For what purpose past perfect tense is used? So past perfect tense is used to show the action was started in the past somewhere and it was completed after a few moments in the past. The main use of this tense. The main purpose of this tense are to understand when to use the past perfect tense while speaking. When you are speaking and someone asks you a question, then in which tense I have to answer. So if you come to know that this tense is used to show the action was started in the past and after a few moments it is completed in the past, then you can use the past perfect tense to convey your message or to convey your feelings to the another person. For this purpose this tense is used. Most important thing in this tense is this tense also is known as pluperfect tense. What is it known? Pluperfect tense. This tense is also known as pluperfect tense, means past perfect tense. This tense is used to show the action completed before some point in the past. This tense is used to show the action was completed after the few moments in the past. After the few moments in the past. Now next use of this tense is it is used to show that the first action is completed or not completed, another action takes place. The use of this tense is first action is completed or not completed, another action takes place. For this purpose this tense is used. The example you can see over here. The train had arrived when I reached the station. The train had arrived when I reached the station. Already the train was at the platform when he was arrived at the station. Means the action of train had completed or not completed. The action of person going at the station takes place. Means it indicates that the first action is completed or not completed, the another action takes place. This is what the use of this tense is, my dear friends. Next, this tense also used to show the connection between simple past and past perfect. Use of this tense is to show the connection between simple past and past perfect. The example of this is she had written story yesterday in the morning. That is simple example. Letter B. She had finished her study while I was studying. This is different. Mother had finished cooking when father entered the house. Mother had finished cooking when father entered the house. Mother had finished cooking. Mother had finished cooking. That means past perfect is over. That means work of mother had completed before few minutes or few moments or before some certain point. When father entered the house, that means father entered the house, this sentence belongs to simple past tense. That means this sentence indicates the relationship between past perfect and simple past. The sentence indicates the relation between past perfect and simple past. To show this such of actions or to show that such of moments, we have to use past perfect and simple past tense. That means to indicate the connection between simple past and past perfect. Now next, it is also used to show the condition and result. It is also used to show the condition and the result. The situation about the person. The situation about the person. How the situation is. I had slept. I had slept. And the reason I lost my study. I had slept. Means झोपलो. This was the condition that he was sleeping. But the result was he lost his studies. He lost his studies. This is what, for the purpose, we have to use past perfect tense. Then, had plus MV3 is used in this tense. Had plus MV3 is used to prepare the sentences of this tense. And to show the relation between past, we have to use when and while. When you are going to show the relation between past perfect tense and simple past tense or past continuous tense, we will have to use when and while. When and while as a relative conjunction. As a relative conjunction to show or to connect two sentences or two tenses to each other, we have to use when and while. What do we have to use? When and while. When you are using when, the another sentence can be connected to the past perfect tense. Or when you are using while, another tense can be connected to the sentence. It also shows the relation between past continuous tense. It is used means past perfect tense also is used to show the relation between past continuous and past perfect tense. Here you can see, she had finished her study. She had finished her study while I was studying. The action of her was already completed in the past, but my action was going on at the moment she was speaking or I was speaking. See the relationship between past perfect tense and past continuous tense. Relation between past perfect tense and past continuous tense. That means this sentence indicates the relation between both the tense, past perfect tense and past continuous tense. She had finished her study while I was studying. जेव्हा तिचा अभ्यास पूर्ण झाला होता तेव्हा माझा अभ्यास चालू होता. That means it shows the continuity of an action in past continuous tense and also it indicates the relationship between past perfect and past continuous tense. Even this tense indicates the relationship between past perfect and simple past tense. The examples are already given over here. The simple sentence means simple sentence, I had completed my homework yesterday. This is simple sentence of past perfect tense. I had completed my homework yesterday. This is simple sentence of past perfect tense. Also, she had written story yesterday in the evening. She had written a story yesterday in the evening. This is also the one more example of past perfect tense. But remaining three sentences which are given over here, they indicate the relationship between past perfect and simple past and also past continuous tense. So this is what these sentences are, these rules and regulations are used in past perfect tense, my dear friend. If you want to express your feelings someone in the past, you have to keep in your mind the certain points which are arrived on the board, and you have to study it deeply so that you can prepare the perfect sentence of past perfect, or also you can show your sentence very effectively. You can express your thoughts using the different type of tense related to past perfect tense. Also, you can show the relationship between past perfect and simple past and also past continuous tense using your own sentences. Now, let us see the formula of past perfect tense. How the formula is used, or what kind of formula is used in past perfect tense, and also what complements are used to prepare the sentence of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus MV3 plus object plus complement. This is the formula of past perfect tense. It's very easy formula, my dear friends. The example of this belong to this formula is like this one, and also these two sentences. Subject I had helping verb completed and three my homework object and complement yesterday. This is how the sentence of past perfect tense is prepared. Now let us see the next. Subject C had FHV, written MV3, story, object, and yesterday in the evening is a complement. This is how the sentences are used in past perfect tense using this formula. Now, second formula also is given. Second formula also is given according to the rules and regulations or uses of this tense. How? Subject plus had plus MV3 plus object plus complement plus while when plus simple past tense or past continuous tense. Simple past tense or past continuous tense. If you want to see the examples according to the formula, you can see the train had arrived. The train had arrived. See the formula subject. The train had actually arrived MV3. Then complement, object is not there and also complement is not there. Okay, arrived. When we have used here when to join two sentences. Then I subject reached the station. That means these sentences belong to simple past tense. This is how the sentences are prepared to show the relationship between two tenses. These are the sentences. You will come to know how the sentences are prepared using both the formula in past perfect. So, keep it in mind, this formula should be used to prepare the single type of sentence or simple sentence. Means one subject, one helping verb, one verb and one object. Single object, single subject and single complement. But in the second formula, we have shown the relationship between past perfect tense and past continuous tense as well as simple past tense. This sentence should be prepared. These sentences should be prepared very carefully, so that the expression of your mind or brain should be completely presented on the notebook or on the page. This is what the reason I have given both the formulas and the example of each formula. And also the use of this tense given. Kindly watch the video fully, don't skip it. If you skip the video, you will be not able to understand. You will not be able to understand what is the use of this tense and how the sentences are prepared. Next thing, now in this tense, there are four type of sentences. First one is sentence which the formula is already given. Then second type of sentence is negative statement in past perfect tense. And third one is question statement. In question statement, we have two type of questions. First one is inversion question and second one is WH question. Now when to use inversion question and when to use WH question and how to prepare the questions inversion question and WH question. This is what we are going to see in the next video. Don't miss the video. If you are not subscribed the channel, subscribe it so that you will get all the videos with new updates. Then last one is negative question statement. In each and every video I had shown you the use of negative question statement, or what purpose negative question statements are used. So I hope you might have understood the use of past perfect tense and also the formulas of past perfect tense and relationship between past perfect and simple past and also past continuous tense. So keep on watching videos and also like, because your like you doesn't have to pay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.